I'm here with Bertus Prella, the founder of the eDivorce website, allowing uncontested divorces to be done online, and we're going to have a chat with him now to find out a little bit more about it. eDivorce, how did that whole project come about?
Well, eDivorce came about because of an idea to bring the law online and in the hands of the public for much less than what you would normally pay when you go and see an attorney for something that can be done without too many consultations and too many costs involved.
And tell me something, how easy is the process? I mean, for the man in the street, would it be pretty easy for them to go online and to go through this whole process?
Well, it's very easy for someone on the site or someone that wants to get divorced. By going onto the site, you go through a couple of steps, and there's a questionnaire that you've got to fill in. So on the front end, where the customer puts in all the data, it's very easy. And the questions are very clear. At the back end is where the technical side of things come in, where we take the data and information and then put that into the necessary formats to be able to conclude a divorce eventually in court.
And tell me something, once the people have come to the site, and let's say for example they've paid an amount, and we'll get into that amount just now, they've paid an amount, you know, the process is they go through these steps. Do they get the information immediately, or does it take a while for them to get it?
Well, each divorce depends on different set of facts. In some divorces there's children, in other divorces there's no children, there's issues surrounding the immovable property and so forth. So what happens, the customer fills in the questionnaire, and then the platform generates the information at the back end, and then we check it basically, and then produce from there the combined summons, the particulars of claim, the annexures for the family advocate that's got to endorse the consent papers, the government statistic form, and all the necessary documentation that you need for concluding the divorce at court eventually.
So even though it's an online divorce, there's still an aspect of that you as an attorney would actually be involved in making sure that all the steps are followed and that all the documents are correctly processed.
Correct. You don't want to be in a situation where you go to court and then your case is rejected by the judge if the papers are not in order. So it's very important to check the documentation basically on the fly in the back end of the platform to make sure that it abides by the court rules and the law in South Africa itself.